National news now. Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. continues to face criticism in the wake of changes to COVID vaccine policies and other upheavals at the CDC.
The challenges at the national level come as Florida leaders announce plans to become the first state in the nation to eliminate vaccine mandates.
Dorian Small reports on the hundreds of healthcare workers attempting to oust the health secretary.
More than 1,000 current and former employees across the Department of Health and Human Services signed a letter on Wednesday calling for Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. to resign, arguing his actions are compromising the health of the nation. This comes a week after the director of the CDC, Susan Menarez, was fired by the Trump administration and after a number of CDC leaders resigned, in part because of recent changes to vaccine policies, including those involving the COVID vaccine, which the FDA now says should only be taken for Americans over 65 or those with underlying health conditions.
Something is wrong when politics rules science and we're not able to have the best science, true gold standard, make sure that we're doing the right thing for the people that we serve.
The letter comes as Florida announced plans to become the first state to eliminate childhood vaccine mandates.
Who am I as a government or anyone else, or who am I as a man standing here now to tell you what you should put in your body?
Wednesday's announcement puts Florida in alignment with Kennedy, who has long been a vaccine skeptic. Kennedy's vaccine skepticism is causing some states to take vaccine matters into their own hands. The Democratic governors of states like Oregon, Washington, and California are coming together to form a public health forum to preserve access to vaccines. Other states are considering taking similar action. Kennedy is scheduled to testify before the Senate Finance Committee on Thursday, where he's expected to address upheaval at the CDC, among other topics. Dorian Small, CBS News, Washington.
And U.S. Senator Bernie Sanders, the ranking member of the Health Committee, is also calling for Kennedy's resignation, arguing that RFK Jr. is doing the opposite of fulfilling his vow to make America healthy again.